Hi everyone, I am Beauty Style Mama. After doing my series on my 5 skincare and makeup products, I take a break because of the days. These are the Christmas season and I always share my Christmas makeup look, or you can say it's a wedding season also. You can create this look for your wedding guest as a wedding guest makeup also. So let's, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Would try these brand Natasha Tuna palette, and it's really beautiful, and I am first time trying on my YouTube channel. This is the beauty. See, the shades are really before starting my actually makeup, I want to tell you that my skin is already moisturized with serum moisturizer. It's very necessary to do that before starting your makeup because it will smooth your makeup. And now I am put my concealer. This is the concealer. It's Tarte concealer and it is tiny because it comes in my Ipsy bag as a sample, and I love this also, and I want to buy the big one but not now. I have really okay. See, it is so pigmented and it's very nice. If you have eye primer, you can use that, but I have concealer, so I'm using the concealer. Because if you do that, it never crease out and the life of the eyeshades become more effective. See, I already blended and now I put some powder over it, this shade on my eyelid. So because of that, it will give a powdery what you can say, excuse me, these are my brushes, and it will fall down because of my like this. I put the tape over there and it will give very fine and beautiful look. So now I am starting my Now I will finish my second eye look and I'll be right back. After finishing my second eye, I am eyebrow with it. And first of all, I brush my eyebrow like this. I don't need too much color for my eyebrow, but a little filling for the gaps like this. Like this, okay? And for the using the tart one, it will set your eyebrow in place, okay? Like this, see? Much better. In that case, if you want to do your eyes more smoky, you can smoke that out, like take a black eye shade and you smoke that also. And if you don't want, then it's let it be. And I don't want to give more smoky look to that, so see, it is very sharp lines, and I really like the sharp lines of my eye shade. See, now before doing my lower lash makeup, I want to put my foundation. And today I am not putting any high-end foundation. Is L'Oreal. It's a Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation, and I really love that because it is very hydrating, and there is a serum in it. It never cake out, and it's very affordable too. You can buy it from drugstore, so it's very convenient for you. If you want to add this and you have dry skin, you can add this in your collection. After doing my all makeup, see, I don't need eyelashes. So now I am using my favorite lipstick crayon. It's from it will, I feel it will look good, but if you don't want to do that, like is your prefer, because lipstick is totally a game changer in makeup. So if you want, you can dark your lipstick as well, and if you don't want, you like light lipstick like me, then it's up to you. Okay, this is my final look of my makeup for Christmas and for wedding guest makeup. If you like this makeup, please give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell notification button, and from this bell you will get notified, and share this makeup tutorial with your friends. It's very easy to do. It's a little techniques. I'm not an expert, but I'm trying to share what I know about makeup, how to do makeup in my terms. So that's for today video. Thanks for watching. Till my next video. Bye and Merry Christmas to all.